Hey guys, so if you are ready to decorate but want to know what your options are for Christmas, keep watching. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Alright guys, let's hop right into it. We are going to start with theme number one, which is a traditional red and green. Now, red and green paired together just scream Christmas. Whether you are decorating for Christmas really or not, just the two colors have become so synonymous with Christmas, it's kind of all you think of at this point. Now, if you want to go the traditional route, this is perfect for you. This is also a great way to kind of accumulate lots of decor. And also, if you are new to decorating, this is probably the best bet for you because these are the easiest color palette to put together that you can find at stores or wherever else that you choose to shop for Christmas. Next, we have blue, green, and copper. Not so traditional of a Christmas decor color palette, however, it is gaining popularity. An easy thing to do is to search Winter Wonderland Christmas. That will give you a lot of blue and silver type ornaments, and then you can just pick and choose and find the green and the copper. The green should be very easy to find. Now, if you are going to do specialty color palettes like this, try to go ahead and head to stores like Hobby Lobby and Michael, who have a larger Christmas selection. Next, we have red and gold, also a traditional color palette of sorts. Of course, you can find red Christmas decor just about at any store you go to. I even saw some at a gas station near my house, so it's very easy to decorate with that color. Gold as well is not hard to find, and it really gives your tree a very luxurious, elegant, and festive look for your holiday season. White and gold Christmas decor. Also a very beautiful, luxurious, and elegant color palette. Something about pairing white and gold together, it really looks beautiful. Now, whether you choose to use it on your Christmas tree, your mantelpiece, or your table setting, this is just a great way to still celebrate the holiday season and just do your color palette just a tad different. I love this color palette together. I've never tried it in my home, but I do think it's absolutely beautiful. Next up, we have blue and white. Easily one of my favorite color combinations, right behind red and green. I actually have a blue and white tree this year. I have a red and green one as well. I have a rustic boho tree, and then I have a pink Christmas tree with all pink ornaments. But this one is great for people who want to opt out of the traditional red and green and just do something a little different. It's very soothing, it's very calming, and I think it makes a beautiful statement no matter which room you choose to decorate it in. Don't think that you're just limited to using this color palette in rooms that have the color blue in it. There's one thing about Christmas decor. No matter which color palette you go with, it will fit in any room because, you know, it's Christmas. Next up, we have red and black Christmas decor. Now, although this is popular, I don't see it just a ton. Normally when you see this style, you're going to see the red and black buffalo, check, print, plaid, ribbon, or Christmas tree skirt, or flowers, or you're going to see that element of some sort mixed in with the decor. So if you already have a few of those pieces, this could be the style for you. I feel like it's still very festive because of the red, but that black definitely just tones it down a bit. Nothing wrong with that. Next up, we have green and gold. I love this color combination, although I've never done it in my home. I always call these the Irish trees just because that color green is so beautiful, especially when you have a flocked tree like the previous photo. There's something about adding the color gold in it that really takes it up a notch and really lends a bit of elegance to it. So if you have a modern organic or a farmhouse or even a boho style home, this style of color palette may be perfect for you. Next up, we have a black and white color palette. This is a very traditional, but yet a very modern and cutting edge Christmas design look that a lot of people are definitely heading towards or leaning towards. Now, if you have it on a green tree, it gives you a third accent color of green, which is gorgeous. But a lot of people are choosing to purchase white trees for it. And side note, I saw my very first black Christmas tree. Have you all seen that? I think it would be gorgeous with a black and white Christmas color palette. If you haven't seen a black Christmas tree, check out, oh, is that one right there? It looks kind of green though, but check out my community tabs, like my community post. I will definitely post the picture I saw and let me know what you think. I'm really torn on it. It's beautiful, but it's also black. What do you think about that? But nonetheless, I do love this color design style. Here's one I'm sure you all have seen, silver and gold. The Christmas is all about being a very festive and grateful, appreciative, fun, exciting time of year. And something about those metallics just really drive that idea home. So you will see silver, you will see gold, you will see it accented with either greens or creams, beiges, whites, something along those lines. Or you will see some brave people just do metallics all the way through. I think this is a very beautiful style. I think it goes with a number of home decor styles and it may look perfect in your home. Next up, we have red and brown. I'm sure this is a look that you didn't think we would be talking about today, but here we are and here it is. This is a design style that is also gaining popularity for just really creating beautiful spaces in homes that are farmhouse, that are modern organic. A lot of homes that draw from that natural look or that natural element. So the shade of red that you use can definitely vary. This style encompasses everything from a Christmas red to a deep burgundy, and all of it really looks beautiful. It just depends on the level of intensity that you want. Here is another look I love, gray and gold. There is something so rich, so elegant, and you can't really call it quiet luxury because it kind of stands out, but it is definitely luxurious and elegant depending on how you use it. Now, a quick tip for you, if you cannot find a lot of gray Christmas decorations, just opt for some of the matte silver. It's going to give you a gray look. It's going to give you the gray and gold look that you want. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So let me know down below in the comment section, what was your favorite color palette from this video? Was it this green and gold that I love? Of course, the blue. I have a blue tree this year. I loved this tree, mainly because of the height, but you can't go wrong with traditional red and green as well. But if you want to glam it up, you can do that too. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.